2021, 22, 23. Folks, niko hapa Kiamunyi tena. Alright, and we are about to view a house on sale here. A 3-bedroom house, alright, sitting on a 50 by 100 plot. 3-bedroom in Kiamunyi in a gated community, alright. So, yeah. Very nice. So, okay, hapa kwa compound, I mean, they have not done cabros here, so vile kumekuwa kukinyesha, you know, the weeds, they have found their way to grow, okay, because hapa nje, these guys hawajaweka cabros, all right, so it is just earth, so the weeds have found a way to grow there. Now, there's a lot to talk about here, but let's start in the house. So folks, you are watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. I do house tours here in Nakuru, and this is another day in the field. Na leo nimekutafutia a 3-bedroom bungalow on sale in the affordable range. Sawa. You know, saa ingine naletanga zile za 9 million, 10 million. Folks wananiambia, "Ai Ezra, si utafuta ya bei ya mwananchi." So leo niko hapa kwa bungalow moja ya bei ya mwananchi. So let's go inside. Sasa kwa hii bungalow hapa ndo mlango yake, okay? I mean kuna kapasho hapa nje kazuri tu kutulia hapa hivi na ka glass kako kanini. It's a bit low. I mean maybe ingekuwa hivi juu kidogo if you at all. Unaona lazima Okay, so now hapa nje so kuna this patio hapa namna hii. Alafu through this door, it's a wide door, okay? So even when you will be moving your things inside, no problem here. Now, I like the paint work. Sawa. I mean, it's looking all white, but I think they have not done the final paint. Yes, you know, this is you know, the undercoat, okay? So bado kuna final paint ambayo itapigwa hapa. I've been told by the caretaker. Ako pale nje. So I'm inside the lounge here. This is ni kubwa vizuri. Alafu so there is the lounge on that side, and on this side is a dining area, okay? I mean you can set your dining area here. Mimi ndo nimesema is a dining area because there's a sink on that corner, okay? So I'm assuming this is your dining area, but you can do this side of the lounge, and again there's a TV socket on this side and another one on that on this other side of the wall. I like the way they have done the gypsum there. Sijui kama zinawaka, acha nione. No. The guys have told me they are just waiting for KPLC to drop them the meter. So steam iko on, but the gypsum is looking all nice. I like it. So wakati steam itakuwa, I'm sure itakuwa ina glow vizuri. Now there is a lot of natural light inside this room, okay? So you can imagine even without, you know, turning on the lights, even without the electricity, bado, I mean, this large window here, and it is quite, you know, it's quite large. It's almost, I mean, it's about 2 feet off the floor. Lana, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of natural light thanks to this window, and this other window here on the dining area, okay? Now the space is good, the light is good, the gypsum good. Those are things I've loved on the lounge. The tiles looking all classy, good. So those are number 4 goods, all right? Now it's an open kitchen, okay? So nimetembea tu kwa jikoni. You know, when it's open kitchen, you never know when you're in the kitchen because it's just open. So it's an open kitchen. Now first thing, I'm looking at the cabinetry. Unique, okay? They have done something truly unique, okay? With this, the MDF here. I've not seen this one before, all right? This is the first time seeing this kind of material on the cabinetry. So there is storage here and opposite, okay? There is more storage on this other side. The working height is good, all right? This is a good working height, okay? On both ends. Now, a lot of countertop space, you know, for food preparation, and this dedicated space here for your gas cooker, you know, up to a 6 burner will fit here. The tiling on the kitchen again is still good. On the walls they have done all white. So they have done all white on the walls, and I mean, this is okay. They are quite, you know, slippery in a way. So kama kukona moshi ama kuna kauchafu, it's just a matter of wiping na hiyo uchafu inatoka. So they have a double sink here. Okay, maji nayo iko. Oh yes, maji nayo iko. But in the tank. Okay, so they don't have piped water, but that tank we saw outside iko na maji mengi pale. So here you will be doing rainwater harvesting. Apart from that, of course, you can always order water ikuje uwekewe kwa tanki yako ijae pale. So as you use, ikikuishia unatumia more storage down here, you know, under the countertops under the countertops there. Alafu now outside this door ya jikoni, I see a tap on this side. I mean, okay, they're assuming perhaps you can do what? There's a provision for a laundry machine, but I don't see a socket. Yeah, there's a socket. There's a socket up here, okay, and yeah, provision for laundry machine installation. I think it can stay out here, okay, regardless of any of the fact that this space is, you know, is just open, because sini kwako, I mean, you're not sharing this place with anyone, so it can just, unaona, unaweza isunda pale your washing machine. Now out here on the backyard tuko na hanging lines pale. Okay, awajeka the hanging lines, but they have installed, you know, those what they have erected, easy poles ambazo zinashikilia the hanging lines. Those ones, they have been erected hapa. This is one of them, na kuna ingine kule. So I'm on the backyard, tuende ndani, we check out the rest of the house. Very well. Yeah, so let's see the rest of the house. Haya, jikoni naona overhead wameka gypsum, not gypsum ceiling, but on the lounge nilikwambia ni gypsum ceiling. So through this door, left, right, so kule ni master bedroom on my left, and it is the closest saizi. So let's check out the master bedroom. Normally we like finishing with the master bedroom, but today, yeah, we can do things differently once a while. Wow, it's a big space. It's a big space in this master bedroom, you know, for a queen size bed, you know, and perhaps other items, a work table, you know, a shoe rack somewhere, you know. There's plenty of storage here in the cabinetry. They have done an L-shaped, you know, closet here. And yeah, I mean, there's plenty of storage. The organization is good hapo. Alafu, what's more? Very well. So this side ndo tuko na toilet yake and bathroom. There's a shower here and the toilet there. Somebody was like, they would have done the toilet in front, okay, and then the shower, they would have alternated the shower area and the toilet. Okay. That was the idea. Anyways, here, but yeah, that's the size of the, you know, of the washroom. Okay, spacious enough. I mean, this house is pretty simple. I mean, it is really simple, and I mean, nothing sophisticated here. Really simple. A house ambayo unakuja tu, unaleta na vitu zako, and you move in and you live happily ever after. This is the common toilet. Okay, common washroom. Again, toilet seat hapo, and the shower area. There's some storage upper juu, maybe for the tissues, etc. Okay, just a towel hanger there. I mean, it's a simple house. Okay, nothing sophisticated here. Now I'm inside one of the guest bedrooms. Right, this is a very, very simple house, straightforward. Okay, I'm inside the guest bedroom. Sawa, so cabinet nini, wardrobe zake namna hii. Alright. Nice. Sawa. So the organization is good in terms of space. Hapa hivi mazee, you can do up to a 6x6. Okay, so the bedrooms, all the bedrooms in this 3-bedroom bungalow, they can take a 6x6 bed. So there's a window on that other side for natural light during the day. Even saizi, there's quite enough light. I mean, I'm assuming if somebody amekaa pale and maybe they're reading a book, I mean, there's na amefungua dirisha, I mean, there's enough of light. So let's check out the other guest bedroom. Very nice. It's on this side. Yeah, the guest bedroom, again, I like the way that there is a lot of natural light coming into the room. The space in the wardrobes, just sufficient, okay, for the resident of this room, just sufficient. The tiles, again, they are neat, okay, nothing sophisticated here. A simple house where you just have to bring your things and leave. Now, behind here on the door, they have done this door stopper, and I've seen this feature on all of their doors, okay? There's a door stopper there, you know, sometimes unafungua mlango and then it bangs. So here, it won't have to bang. So it is a very simple house for simple living, a 3-bedroom on the budget scale, all right? Hakuna mambo mingi, okay? Kuja tuangalie huko nje before nikuambie bei, alafu niambie mbona usichukue hii nyumba na wewe uendelee kuishi, okay? Uanze tu kuishi. Why should you not take this home? Straightforward home, simple, even outside, aina madoido, simple house, okay, for simple living. So this is the tank I was telling you about, all right? This is the tank, and it is full because it has been raining of late, okay, and nobody is living here, so maji imeja hapa, okay? So until you come, bas ni hayo tu kwa sasa. So there is some space here kando tu ya nyumba and this perimeter wall. So as you can see overhead, it is a gated community with bungalows, only bungalows, and they are doing another one just next to this. There is a vacant space there. They are going to do another one there. Now the thing about this last bungalow here, number 23, is that it has taken, you know, part of the driveway, and hence shamba ya hii nyumba ni kubwa kuliko shamba ya zile nyumba zingine, okay? And so this one, they are offering it at 5.8 million. The others were actually less, okay? They were less than this. The price was kidogo kuliko hii hapa. So for this space here, considering vile kubwa, I'm assuming this space you can even build in future. You know, you can even do an SQ here, okay, on your own, you know, all right? Don't expect them to come to do it. Sasa ni wewe. Sasa them, they are selling the house as it is, okay? Even out here, if you want to do cabros, etc., you can just, you know, customize your outdoor space as you will please, okay? But I'm looking at this space, I'm thinking somebody can do, you know, another SQ. Somebody can do an SQ hapa, or even another small house, okay? Watch a space ya parking pale namna hiyo. But otherwise, apart from that, maybe weke gazebo, weke ka garden kando pale, cabros maybe for parking namna hiyo. So now 5.8 million Kenya shillings, a simple house for simple living. Hakuna mambo mingi, hakuna madoido, nothing sophisticated. Security features ni wewe utakuja kujiwekea. Kama unataka CCTV, unataka electric fence, hiyo vitu hiyo ni wewe utajiwekea. Them, they are offering this house the way it is, like this, for 5.8 million Kenya shillings. That's why I told you it falls in the affordable range, okay? Nilipata watu wakisema kutoka hapo 4.5 hapo mpaka 6, watu hapo wanaonanga hizo nyumba they are affordable, lakini ikianza kufika 7, 8 now unaanza kufilter. Now one more thing, they have an outside latrine here, okay? So they have a latrine hapa hivi. Yeah, there's a latrine hapa for maybe, you know, sometimes somebody may need to use a latrine, maybe some visitor, you know. So latrine iko hapo, and this one is standard. It's a standard fitting for all the bungalows here. So this one is number 23. You can imagine they have done 1, 2, 3, 4 mpaka 23, as you can see from above. So up to that point, see you in the next one.